All right, I'll try and make this quick. So download my SQL Server. I have the client right here, and I have the service right here. Um, so I did this. I'll show you. There's John. There's the three commands here that I did. So yeah, I did these, and then I connected to the server. That I established a connection, by clicking on the square there at the beginning, and then I did this. So that was the stuff there, the code there. Right here, it's the same except I put test db2 since I already have a test db. So I'll show you if I scroll up. I did test db2. So yeah, I did that, and as you could see, I did this piece of code, and as you can see, uh, it's right here, the result of that. Flushing privileges, yeah, I did that. So I did this. I put in main, uh, put in main here, and I added a bit of stuff to bypass an exception that was occurring. So I did allow public key retrieval equals true. So then I compiled and ran test2 Java. Um, I did this to compile and did this to run. I can show you. So look after this error. First, I compiled it, and then I ran it. So then this came. This is just something I added to debug. And then it says result from a table, and then all the different rows that were there. So it was successfully ran, in other words. And then for test2 Java, so purpose, etc., etc. So then we have we have a class test2 that lasts in scope. It is still there after a lot. Like you can see the ending here. Um, so right, we have these private static variables all set to null. So that main is a part of the program that, as you know, it actually like executes, um, and that ends here. So as you saw in the command line, uh, there is a select a table and print out its content. Uh, so then this gets connect up. This is the 111 that I told you about. No, I don't need to show you. So yeah, this is the 111 I told you about. Um, then to statement, you have the connect that was set up right here, and then create statement on that, and then that statement created goes to statement. Um, so to result set, we have this executing the query. It's like putting workbench and then pressing Control Enter, and then so for the statement, you execute query. You execute the query on that statement. This gives you the result set, and then we have a result set here that we just made, and that's passed to write result set. So then the result set is written as I showed earlier. All right. So override. So then we have this. Um, for this, we have this. Insert into student values question. That's for connect. That's passed into prepared statement, and then so basically this sets the spots uh, in this statement here. So like for example, the first parameter tells you which position it's in, and then the second parameter tells you what's in that position. So 1 0, 0 goes to position 1. Uh, 2 Thomas Jefferson. Uh, Thomas Jefferson is put into the second place, and then so on and so on. This to the third place, and this to the fourth place. And then you execute the update here. So then this line is executed for statement, which passes result set, and then result set passes the right result set is written, as you just saw. And then we have catch for an exception, and then no matter what, if it was try catch, you close it. So we have write metadata. Oh, let me try to do this quickly. So this prints out. Oh, right. By the way, this isn't in main. This is a new function called write metadata. So prints this, and then prints table, and then the table name to the metadata called for metadata called from result set. So then you like keep looping through the columns, and then you print, oh, the column is this. So let me see here. We have another function, write result set, which was called earlier. So this version, yeah. So prints this, and then keeps going through the result set. So basically, this is like very manual. So like it assigns a string name to the result set, and then to name, so address to address, status to status. Yeah, so then name, address, press name. It's like the name is the name, the stored name. The address is the stored address, and the status is the stored status. And then just blank on there. That doesn't matter much. That's for visuals. So that looks good. So then, yeah, this closes all of the things. Like, if it's not already null, then close it. If the statement isn't already null, close that. And if connect isn't already null, close connect. Close, yeah. And then there's just an exception catching there. All right, that's the end of it. Etc. And I will now stop this. Have a good night.